Rusty, the resilient fox squirrel, is back at the feeder with fur slowly regrowing and an appetite as strong as ever. Recovery from mange is a testament to Rusty's resilience, possibly aided by an abundant food source and fewer environmental stressors. Mange, caused by mites, can persist in a squirrel's nest for weeks or months, posing a risk of reinfection if Rusty does not relocate or clean his nesting materials. Rusty's progress is heartening, but reinfection is a concern, as mites thrive in warm, insulated environments like nests. Rusty's return reminds us of nature's tenacity, but also highlights how habitat management can play a role in reducing reinfection risks.